So let's talk about when ADA is in fact going to break $1. Now, I'm sure some trolls will come in. Some people will say, well, why don't we worry about it breaking 50 cents first? And I think that that's a terrible, terrible way to look at things, because what people need to understand is when the market does start running, you can have charts that don't look like they're about to make a pop and then run 50% in no time. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen for ADA. I'm not saying it's going to make a 50% move in a day, but we have seen multiple times where in a short period of time, ADA has in fact made huge, huge strides forward. In fact, we saw this right out of the bear market into the start of the bull. Okay, we saw ADA run, what was it, like 60% over the course of 3 weeks. Back here, we actually saw ADA run another 86% over the course of just 2 weeks. In fact, the largest daily candle there was 26%, right? Times where people thought ADA was in fact going to get rejected by 40 cents and then just go wrong way, go back down, right? So I actually stumbled across this article, and this was from ChatGPT 4.0. So this one you can actually ask crypto related questions to. And what this will do is actually analyze some market data. And the interesting thing about this is it's projecting that ADA could reach $1 by mid to late 2024. So very consistent with what we've been saying. And what it says is in past growth phases, ADA experienced substantial price surges. For example, ADA's price rose from around 25 cents at the start of 2023 to approximately 45 cents in April of 2023 due to bullish news. It was actually all the way up to 81 cents in March of 2023. And a current bullish divergence, according to some technical analysis, might push ADA's price higher in short to mid term. So what this also takes into account is some of what analysts are saying. Some are saying, maybe not into 2025. And people need to understand that projections are just that. They're projections, they're guesses, right? We can analyze this to death, and we can take a look at some of the good fundamentals that are filling in here. Again, like I talked about earlier, holders increasing, obviously the bullish divergence taking place. But what is happening right now is this big setup for this reversal in terms of ADA. Assets that are strong, that have a lot of stuff going for them, they don't run down forever, all right? Maybe it goes lower. Maybe it does, right? But eventually it has a point where it flips around. When you are actually getting adoption from larger entities, that changes the whole scope of things, right? There are other blockchains that maybe were doing some things kind of similar to Cardano, but adoption from government, adoption from enterprises completely changes the narrative, 100%. People wanted things to turn around. They wanted Cardano to get use. Guys, it's happening. It's happening, okay? Maybe we haven't seen this huge surge in users on the chain yet, but those times tend to follow. Okay, if I said the big push for this adoption is going to be enterprise, and that's kind of already starting to be the case. Enterprise is really building with Cardano, and that's going to help push more users into the Cardano ecosystem. Hopefully, people are really understanding that. The big thing is patience, resilience, just letting things play out organically and naturally. You can't push the charts to places that frankly they don't want to go right now, unless you have big VCs, which we don't have. So the big thing is just patience. Gotta let things just play out. Cardano will be just fine. ADA will be just fine. It's all about time in the market. So have a great day. Show your love below. Love to hear your thoughts. Probably where do I think ADA is going to cross $1? It's probably going to be, I'm guessing sometime around like September would be my guess. And this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. Why I say that is, again, typically around like July, August is when things really, really start to go a little vertical. You get your first pop. It wouldn't surprise me if ADA tested that 81 cent level somewhere around that time. Maybe we'll get a breach just above there, kind of running towards that dollar mark. But I'd love to see us again close the year somewhere around like that $2 to $2.50 range. So have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.